Welcome to our guide on dried flower decor ideas for fall. As the days grow shorter and the leaves change color, bringing a touch of nature indoors is a wonderful way to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Today, we'll explore some creative ways to decorate with dried flowers, perfect for anyone looking for natural, elegant, and timeless decor this autumn. Bold dried wreath. Make a statement with a dried wreath featuring a hoop, wheat, pampas grass, bunny tails, dried blooms, and a pink ribbon. This combination creates a charming and rustic touch for your front door. Neutral and yellow fall arrangement. Use neutral and yellow dried blooms, magnolia leaves, grasses, allium, and twigs to craft a lovely fall arrangement. This brings warmth and elegance to any corner of your home. Bold fall colors. Incorporate yellow, orange, and neutral grasses with wildflowers for a vibrant fall centerpiece. This arrangement adds rich autumn hues that instantly liven up the space. Simple boho dried flowers. Create simple arrangements using dried grasses, pink and white chamomiles. They work beautifully in a boho or rustic setting, adding charm and subtle color. Halloween arrangement. For a spooky touch, arrange mustard blooms, greenery, leaves, twigs, and some decorative bats. This makes an eye-catching Halloween centerpiece with a seasonal twist. Textural dried arrangement. Combine dried leaves, grasses, blooms, branches, and twigs for a refined and textured dried arrangement. This one is ideal for adding a sophisticated feel to your home. Burgundy and neutral floral display. Mix mums, asters, peony roses, lunaria, pampas grass, and leaves in neutral and burgundy tones for a stunning display. Perfect for any occasion, even as a wedding decoration. Small mantle bouquet. Place a small bouquet of dried flowers, seed pods, lavender, greenery, and grasses on your mantle. It's a simple yet effective way to add an autumnal touch. Trio of dried arrangements. Arrange billy balls, baby's breath, and other dried blooms and grasses in 3 small vases. This trio makes a delightful centerpiece for a coffee table. Neutral and lush fall arrangement. Use dried grasses, blooms, allium, and twigs for a lush yet neutral arrangement that creates a stunning effect, making your space feel truly fall-ready. Dark Halloween wreath. Craft a dark wreath using leaves, amaranthus, twigs, and ribbon bows. This piece is perfect for adding a dramatic Halloween decoration to your space. Dried clover bouquet. Arrange dried clover, baby's breath, and berries in a decorative pot for a lovely fall centerpiece that adds a gentle, natural beauty. Contrasting bouquet. Create a contrasting bouquet using yellow blooms, burgundy leaves, grasses, and hydrangeas. This striking arrangement makes a great focal point in any room. chic textural arrangement. Include dried flowers, grasses, berries, and leaves to create a chic textural arrangement that showcases pretty fall tones in an elegant way. Seed pods and lunaria arrangement. Use dried and preserved seed pods, leaves, grasses, proteas, and lunaria, along with twigs for added interest. This arrangement has a rustic yet sophisticated look. Contrasting arrangement with hydrangeas. Hydrangeas, dried fronds, white blooms, berries, leaves, and amaranthus come together in a chic contrasting arrangement, perfect for adding style and warmth. Pastel dried flower combo. Mix pastel dried flowers, leaves, and grasses for an adorable arrangement. Add clover and bunny tails for a charming and light fall display. Bold wildflower arrangement. Use pink, orange, and lilac dried blooms, grasses, and leaves to create a bold wildflower arrangement that works well for both summer and fall. Burgundy and mauve arrangement. A mix of pink, burgundy, and mauve flowers with grasses and twigs creates a bold dried flower arrangement that adds rich color to any area. Colorful bunny tails and blooms. Arrange bold bunny tails, lilac blooms, and grasses to infuse your space with vibrant color, adding a lively and cheerful fall atmosphere. Thank you for joining us in exploring these dried flower decor ideas for fall. With these simple and creative arrangements, you can effortlessly bring warmth and elegance to your home this season. Whether you prefer neutral tones or bold colors, there's a dried flower idea here to inspire you. Happy decorating and enjoy the beauty of autumn indoors.